Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we have October's Kinder Beauty box to unbox, and that's it. Let's go ahead and get started. So, a little hard to open. Here is the pamphlet that came in the box. It's like this brownish, orangish color. And we have everything that we'll be unboxing. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products, I think. Yeah, so that should be pretty cool. And we'll get right in with the first one. This is from Hero Cosmetics. It's the Mighty Patch Invisible Plus 6 patches. Your Blemish Hero. So here's the packaging. And it says this is a $3 retail value, and yeah, this is for blemishes. So I already have a few of these from a different brand, so I'm excited to give these a try. I don't really get big honkin' painful pimples very often, so when I do, it's nice to have something like this. I usually get like little bumps here and there, like nothing huge that requires like full-on dedication, although I do have like a little scratch on my head right now, which is not fun. Anyway, that looks like something that'll be really cool to try, and it is a good addition to this box. Next, we have this big package here. This is Beauty Kitchen, I guess by Heather Mariana is the creator, I suppose. And this is Skin Polish and Honeysuckle and Gardenia. I don't know how I'm gonna like this kind of packaging in the shower, but I do love a good scrub. So excited to have this, and it should be really cool. This says that this is a $10.50 retail value, and chemical free, buffs away dead skin cells. Cool. I think this is also a really cool addition to the box. That's a really nice price for a scrub. Excited. The next item I have here is in this little tube. This is by Chella. It's the Eyebrow Defining Gel in Clear. So let's go ahead and get that open. I always like rip these plastic things and can't ever get them to like just open perfectly the way one would really want them to. So here we go. It's just a teeny tiny little brush, and like I said, come on, focus. Maybe not, maybe not. Okay, well, it's not gonna focus. You know what a brow brush looks like. And like I said, it's in clear, so this is a nice, pretty standard basic product that I'm sure I will eventually use. I have a Milk Makeup eyebrow gel that I have right now that is open and I'm using, so once that's finished, this one will be busted out. Overall, pretty good addition to the box. The next item is an eye cream. It's by Verify Beauty. It's their 2020 Phytoglycogen? Yes, that's the word. Phytoglycogen and Peptides eye cream. So here is the packaging. Really pretty dark green and gold. And I feel like I got an eye cream from a Kinder Beauty box recently. I don't know if it was in the intro box or if it was in one of the standard monthly boxes. I don't know. I like the tip for distributing, nice and fine, so you can get a really exact amount. But I've gotten so many eye creams recently that I'm just not going to need to buy any for a very long time. So that's pretty cool. I think that's a fun addition to the box. And I really like that packaging. I don't know why dark green packaging I just have been feeling lately. Maybe it's the time of year. The last item we have is from Earth Harbor. It's the Lunar Rain Night Serum. Phyto Resurfacing Night Serum with seaweed collagen and superfood acids. So here is the box. And then on the side, it tells you like all the little details and stuff, vegan, cruelty-free, etc. Plant-based, no GMO, sustainable, no soy, no gluten, small batch made, women-owned, fair trade. Love all those things. That's all great. Well, actually, I'm indifferent to gluten and soy. Those don't bother me, but if they're a bother to you, this is for you. So the packaging is really nice. It's a opaque white bottle, which feels very chic. Let's give it an open. Let's give it the sniff test, because I was reading this previously. There are a lot of fruit extracts and fragrant extracts. So extracts are not as bad as straight up oils, although at the end there was grapefruit peel oil of the ingredient list. So I'm not sure. We'll see. Let's give it the sniff test. It does smell pretty fragrant. This is probably a product that I might test out once or twice on my face to see how it reacts. But if it doesn't seem to gel right, I'll probably just add it to body care products, which I've actually really been enjoying doing lately. So I'm not mad about it. It's not a throwaway to me that there's so much fragrance stuff in some of these face serums that we've been getting in various boxes. I say we as if I'm sharing these things with you, but if you're watching, maybe you're interested in these kind of boxes, or you get them yourself and you want someone else's opinion on it. But yeah, I love how chic the packaging is for this, but I'm gonna have to maybe give it a test run. There are a lot of extracts in here, so let me read you through this list because it's a lot. First of all, there's cane alcohol, which I don't know what that is. That's something, a type of alcohol I'd have to look up because it's not what I'm familiar with. But if it is more of a drying agent, then I probably definitely won't be putting this on my body. Then there's pineapple fruit extract, pomegranate, star fruit, passion fruit, kiwi, mangosteen, lychee, jujube fruit. I can't hear jujube without thinking of the drag queen. Guava, bilberry, sugar cane, orange fruit extract, lemon fruit extract, sugar maple extract. Sorry, that's my email. And then, like I said, at the end of the list, there is that grapefruit peel oil, which is probably the ingredient that worries me the most. But yeah, you will see my full review of this whenever it makes its way into an empties video. So, in conclusion, I'm very happy with this box. Far and above my expectations of the box after how kind of ho-hum the September box was, and with it being so late, it made it kind of feel extra ho-hum. That said, if you are interested in that eyeshadow palette that came in the September box, I do have that listed on my Poshmark, and I am happy to accept reasonable offers if you are on the market for that. So definitely click to my Poshmark down below if you want to get your hands on that at a lower price than maybe you'd pay at the store. But anyway, I'm very happy with the October box. Honestly, this is the only product that's kind of on the fence for me, just because of the fragrant oil. The rest of these things I do see myself using. Brow gel, super easy. Anyone can use that. Something that will definitely be used eventually. Eye cream, also something I'll definitely use eventually. I did not look into the ingredients for this one, so I probably will, but I imagine I'll probably end up using that. Blemish patches, something I will definitely use eventually. I want to use up the ones I've opened already, just so I'm not like opening this and that, and then I have two products that are losing their freshness. Anyone else like that? I don't like having multiple of the same thing open at the same time. I feel like then rush to use them both. I don't know. That's me being crazy. And then also very excited about the skin polish because I'll always use a scrub. I have two scrubs open in the shower, so I'm breaking my own rule that I literally just said. But one of them is specifically KP focused that I've been testing out. So I mentioned that in my what I use to treat my KP video. If you are interested in that, I'll try and remember to put the little eye link somewhere in there. If not, it's on my channel. Just go look it up. And yeah, for out of 5. I'm gonna give it a 4.5 because this I'm kind of excited to try, and the packaging is really wooing me with this flat white. I don't know why, it just feels super minimalist and chic. But we'll see how the product itself actually turns out. So 4.5 out of 5, not bad, especially considering September was very like meh for me. So if you get the Kind of Beauty box, I would love to know down below what you thought of your September box. I'm pretty sure they send out 2 different versions of this box. Did you get this version? Did you get the other version? Do you like the products you got? Definitely let me know down below. And if you want to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you here. Be sure to check out Amandaphenomenon.com and my Poshmark, which is listed down below. I've been posting a ton of stuff lately. I have men's and women's clothes, so definitely check it out if you're interested in getting some new things just secondhand. Well, new to you things just secondhand. And like I said, I accept all reasonable offers. And otherwise, I will talk to you all later. Bye!